Phonics Academia online class grade 4. Unit number 1 whole number and its operation exercise 1b. So all the students open your book page number 11 and also pick your pencil. Today lecture we have to do question number 1, 2 and 3. Question number 1 depend upon your filling in the blank. Question number 2 is a state the whether of the true and false, and question number 3 choose the correct option in MCQ. So let's start to the lecture. Question number 1, filling in the blank. 10,000 plus 6,000 plus 900 plus 5. They said that this is expand form and you have add that this value. The answer is equal to 16,905. Your next filling in the blank. 12,500 minus black is equal to the 5,600. So they say that find this filling in the blank. When you have subtract 12,500 subtract 5,600, the value is to be taken is 6,900. Because when you have subtract 6,900 from 12,500, the value is 5,600. So when you find the value of the 6,900, you have to subtract 5,600 from 12,500. Third filling the blank. 100 more than 99,990 equal to the 100,090. Because when you have added the 100 into a 100, so 9 make a 10, 10 is a 0, then take a carry to the other value and then to the other value it's like a 100,090. Dash must be added to the 10,005 to make a 10,255. So when you have subtract 1005 from 10,255, the subtracting value is 2,250. So because that when you have 250 added to the 10,005, so the value is 10,255. Last filling the blank is 49,396 subtract dash is equal to 10,086. So students, according to this, when you find this filling in the blank, you have the 49,396 minus 10,086. So the value is 39,310. When you have 39,396 subtract 39,310, the answer is equal to 10,086. To find out this value, you have subtract this value from 49,396. Okay, question number 2. Straight either the true and false. 375 plus 405 plus 163 equal to the 943. So when you have added the value, the answer is equal to the 943. So this true statement is to be a true. 400 more than 69,843 is 69,443. Student, this is a 400 more, don't add less. So when you have more this value, the value is going to be a 7,000 plus. But they said a 6,443. So 69,443 is less than 69,843. So this statement is true because that they said more than, and in this statement we have a less than. 7,000 less than 97,536 is 90,536. So when you have subtract 7,000 from 97,536, the value is equal to the 90,536. So the value is true. Asif has rupees 89,512 and Fahad has rupees 89,601. Fahad has more money than Asif. So we have to compare both value 89,000, 89,000, 500, 600, 12 and 1. So you see that Fahad have a 600 value, 89,600 value, and Asif have a 89,500 value. So Fahad have a much value, more value money. So the statement is a true. Unspent rupees 28,000 to purchase a TV. Salman bought a TV for rupees 25,555. Unspent 28,000. Salman pays 25,555. Salman paid more money for his purchase. So we have compare what this value is. 28,000 is a 25,555. So this statement is false because that Salman paid less value than us. So question number 3 is the MCQ. Choose the correct option. So they say that the sum of the this largest 5 number. The largest 5 number is 99,999 and the smallest 4 digit. The smallest 4 digit is 1000. So they say that the sum of the largest 5 digit and smallest 4 digit. When you have added the largest 5 digit and added this smallest 4 digit, the option number is to be given. Option A 19,999, option B 100,999, option C 10,999 and D is a 10,099. So the option number B is correct because then when you have added 99,999 plus 1000, the value is equal to 100,999. 25,000 plus 25,000 is equal to 75,000, 52,500, 50,000, 2,525. So the option number C is correct because then when you have added 25,000, the value is equal to 50,000. 24,000 plus 18,000 plus 9 is equal to D. So the value is equal to 2,589. The difference between 99,999 and 1000 is equal to. They said that when you have a 1000 difference between 99,999, the other values 89,999, 80,001, 98,999 and 8,000. So the option number C is correct, 98,999 because that 99,999 1000 have been less, the value is 98,999. Take away 87,452 from 19,005. Take away means subtract this value from 87,552, subtract from the value of 19,005. So the option is to be given: A 2,553, B 36,531, 17,453 and last option is 77,358. So when you have subtract 87,452 from 19,005, the option A is to be correct, 2,553. So all the students do your class